My name is Francesco Sillani. I studied materials engineering and nanotechnology at Politecnico di Milano. So what I'm doing here at Inspire is work on additive manufacturing, which is 3D printing. So we are basically melting the powder to create solid objects. This is the beauty of polymer powder bed fusion. Your imagination is the limit. In this work there are different challenges. The main one to actually understand where the technology can help an industrial partner. What I would like to find when I come to work, a solution for my problems, which are unfortunately many in terms of research goals. I had more failures than successes, of course, like a lot of people in research. I don't know where I will be in 5 years from now, as I didn't know 5 years ago that I was going to be here. I would like to go a little bit into operations and figure out what is the daily life in a manufacturing environment. I think Switzerland is a great environment for innovation, and I would like to actually experience that also from an industry perspective. And I think Switzerland is a great place for that.